Hey, can y'all put that on Facebook?
Yeah.
Hey, put that on Facebook. Get a good close up on it.
Inside.
That is awesome.
Isn't this awesome?
Yes.
I didn't even see it. So I wondered what kind of April was looking at me funny. I was like, what did I do?
Wow, I never wash that jacket again.
I got so silly. I don't even wash my face.
Okay.
It's all on the inside. It's just all over.
That is awesome. No, I'm about to go throw that right up on Facebook.
And you know, Meg's gonna be like, that's my jacket. Send it to me. They were like, send me that jacket. That's my jacket. That's awesome. You saw it go on your hand? Yes, it go on her hand.
Is it still on there? Is it still on there? Is it still on your hand? Or did you wipe them all across Jermaine? You probably wiped it off on Jermaine.
I know what you're saying. It's freezing though.
Real. Wow.